Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Crypto Boulevard. In this video, we're going to take a look at Automata, who just launched on Binance and are looking very hot. First and foremost, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto and wear big boy pants. Now with that being said, let's dive in. Simply said, Automata aims to help decentralized applications have better privacy. Decentralized finance is booming and currently there are billions of dollars locked in applications. There are still a lot of problems to solve in crypto land, such as high gas fees, cross-chain interoperability, and a lack of privacy, just to name a few. For all of these problems, there are and there will be solutions, and that is the beauty of being early in the blockchain era. We can see the development and growth of Web3 right in front of our nose. Automata Network portrays itself as a decentralized service protocol with privacy first, high assurance, and frictionless computing. Now let's take a look at how it actually works. Automata has two different types of nodes, validators and geodes. By staking the tokens, you can become a validator and provide a reliable state of the network. This is of course called the proof of stake consensus. Validators will manage the registration of staking and hosting nodes, the distribution of work tasks and rewards, and the marketplace for selling and buying computing power. The automated geodes are the hosting nodes. The geodes are needed to create a shielded and isolated environment to conceal data access patterns. In other words, they take care of the privacy. One of the techniques used to do this is called an oblivious RAM or an ORAM. Simply put, this technique is used not only to encrypt data, but to shuffle it as well, to kind of make life miserable for observers with bad intentions. A user will have a transaction, the data will get concealed through the geode, and then it gets stored. The validators and geodes can interact with each other through three so-called automata planes: control, compute, and service, each with their own functions. The control plane is for coordination. Validators can send new tasks to the geodes. The compute plane is for execution, where geodes can complete tasks and send proof of execution. And the service plane is for the users, where clients can use the geodes without actually becoming a host. One other service Automata provides is called Witness. Now, when a project wants to have proposals or input from the community, most of the time this is not anonymous, and this can lead to identity leaks, exposed privacy, and so on. Now, with Witness, users can participate in governance without giving up their anonymity, so this is a nice feature for a privacy protocol. This Witness feature can be easily implemented by other projects as well. For now, they are compatible with ERC20 on Ethereum, but they will add support for the Binance Smart Chain and Substrate as well. Lastly, Automata has a feature called Conveyor, tackling the miner extractable value problem. On public blockchains, anyone can see pending transactions and Frontrun using higher gas auctions. Miners and validators have the possibility to rewrite the transaction order as well. So when you buy a token X, a miner can first put in their own buy transaction first, then put in your transaction next to drive up the price, and lastly sell as a third transaction at a higher price to make some profit. It has been estimated that about $750 million has been extracted this way since January 2020. Front-running miners. That's why I like Solana so much, because they have proof of history with a timestamp where the order of blocks cannot be changed. Automata has Conveyor as their solution, and it works very similar to the concept of Solana. Basically, the transactions will go into the conveyor in a certain order, and they cannot be altered, scrambled, or sandwiched in any kind of way. The transactions will be handled by the DEX in the same order as they went in. So for a decentralized exchange, this might be a great tool because there won't be any front running, and that is of course more user friendly. But as Automata points out on Medium, why should we trust Conveyor? Well, they say that Conveyor is supported by the geode nodes. Everybody can publicly verify if all of these nodes have the proper setup. And if they do, this means that the data coming in is already shielded off from the geode provider by using these same Oblivion RAM techniques that we've talked about in this video. So even the geo providers won't be able to front-run. Now all of this is of course theory, and I believe that many people smarter than I am will probably check and verify if all of these statements are true. I do think that this project looks very solid. Now Automata is a new project. They secured a few partnerships for their witness feature from Bounce to Plasm, and their ADA token just went live on Binance on June 7th. It started trading at 4 cents and went straight away to $4.50, which is about a 100x. It is currently trading at about $1.80. You can stake your cake tokens on PancakeSwap as well for the next 60 days to get rewarded in ADA tokens. There will be 1 billion tokens in total supply, and the estimate is that there will be 170 million tokens in circulating supply in the beginning. If you want to invest in this token, you can buy it on Binance, Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Just make sure that you have the correct token address from their Telegram or Twitter account so you don't get scammed. Personally, I don't own any ADA tokens yet. I will be waiting for the price to cool off because it's still sitting at a 50x. I do like this project, especially the Conveyor feature, because front runners are costing the people so much money, with most of them not even knowing it. So I do have Automata on my watch list. Alright everybody, this was it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of Automata. Hit that like, hit that subscribe for more crypto insights, and I'll see y'all in the next vid. I'm out. Peace.